finished recording, then I realized not a single thing recorded. But it's very simple. It's the same thing I did down here. As you can see, I put a track. It's the same thing I did up here. See the track on one side and one. Let's see, get it from up here. See the track, and it pulls out like that. Has a stopper here that stops it, and that's about it. The only thing I did different is I added this to pieces of wood to hold the supports in place. As you can see, they're being held in place, and there you have it. It's not perfect, but it was just a concept, and it works. As you can see, somewhere there it gets kind of hard. You know, it won't slide smoothly, but it's no big deal. It works fine. The top one is seamless. It's perfect. I'm gonna load it up and then you'll see how it looks loaded. I got room for more stuff over here.